Not that. Not whatever the hell that was. What we are going to be doing today, ladies and gentlemen, one of our specials that we have planned for tonight, guys, is that we're going to do a Kit Kat tier list. I'm going to have it right here up on my screen too. We brought back some Kit Kats when we went to Japan because we're going to rate them.
Someone's riding Yoshi. Are you humping Yoshi? You got Marcy concerned.
Let's go.
Kit Kat tier list. You can see right here, I have a few different Kit Kats. I have 6 different ones. I have them listed right here. We have like the classic, so we have like the standard matcha ones.
That one's gonna be top. I already know. I already know it. That one's gonna be the best one.
Okay. We'll see. We'll see. Because I also have the premium matcha ones, which are more expensive.
What's gonna be the difference?
I don't know. Maybe just the quality of matcha that they put in it. And at the time that we went, it was Sakura season. So we have the Sakura one.
Oh, I'm not a big fan of floral, so I'm gonna guess that that one's gonna be F tier.
I think it'll be all right. It's not gonna be the best, but we're going by taste. So we have this one. I think it's like salted caramel. It's like a salted caramel image. The Kit Kat Gold. So that one could be pretty good. And then we have this like chocolate orange.
Oh yeah.
One.
Chocolate orange is underrated. That's like, it's a really good flavor.
As like a standard, I have just like a standard Kit Kat, just a standard one. I think we start with this one, just to go ahead and just do the basic plain Jane one, just to have like a baseline of what a Kit Kat is.
Yeah. Love it up just now.
A little crispy inside.
A little melty.
A little melty, but you don't lose the flavor. Your normal Kit Kat that you can get in any country. I'm gonna say B. I don't know about you.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I'd say like A, B. I mean, you know, it's there.
A, B?
Yeah, B, A, B. It's whatever to me. It's just a Kit Kat. It's the regular old schmegular degular.
So you're saying it's not like, yo, this is the best. We'll start it in A, I guess.
I mean, I guess we could move. Maybe let's do B. Let's go for B.
Start it in B?
Yeah.
All right, so baseline, the base Kit Kat is starting in B. I guess that makes sense.
I feel like the orange Kit Kat's gonna be in the B tier too.
We're gonna go into the matcha.
Yeah.
Matcha Kit Kat.
That's my favorite.
This is the one that, like, I would say when it comes to Japanese Kit Kats and you live in America, this is like the one that you see all the time.
It's so good.
I'll just give you a full one. I'll eat a full one too.
I don't want to eat like I feel like it'll be a dangerous thing to eat a full one every single time. Cheers.
Cheers. Has a nice green color to it. Uh-oh. I don't know if that's good or bad.
Oh, so good.
So with this, you're getting like a white chocolate taste and you're getting those hints of the matcha. It's really nice. It's not like an overpowering matcha flavor. You definitely taste the matcha though.
The premium one is gonna be a very overpowering like matcha flavor. I feel like that one is gonna be too much, because that's what I like about this one, is that it's just the right amount of matcha where it's not too overpowering.
So I'm gonna say, I mean, I know what you're gonna say, so I kind of want to say, yeah, let's throw it in S. S tier for the basic first level matcha Kit Kat. It is pretty good though. Yeah, but we'll see if this one tops it. We have the premium matcha Kit Kat. It's the, I don't even want to try to pronounce it. The Uji matcha.
I'm scared.
Oh, and it opens up in like a special way.
Oh, that's nice. Oh,
cool.
wow.
It opens up like this.
That is pretty premium. Well, I could have done this with my mustache. It's me, Luigi.
Wait, did you eat? Oh, you got the other one.
Oh yeah, I'm saving that one for later.
It is kind of more of a lighter green color. Itadakimasu.
That cookie was crispier. The matcha's not as strong. What? It's sweeter.
It is sweeter. I want to say it's creamier.
It tastes more chocolate, like white chocolate. That was a nice experience.
Yeah. It honestly almost tastes the same, except it's a little bit more creamier. Wafer was a little bit more crispier.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's like a age issue.
Yeah. Because we've been holding on to these for a while.
But it is pretty much on par, if anything, with the other Kit Kat.
It is.
So I'm gonna put it right next to it.
I would think so. I would feel like, okay, if you're giving a friend who has never had a matcha Kit Kat for the first time, maybe start them off with the premium one, because like if they never had matcha and you know that they're like pretty picky, and they might like that one because it's like sweeter and tastes more like white chocolate.
I would say that. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty much, it's, to be honest, if you tried both of them, you would be like, they're exactly the same. But still solid though. All right. Next up, the special Sakura edition one. Is Sakura and roasted soybean powder. Interesting.
I don't know about that one.
Throw in soybean powder. See if it changes it up. Really nice packaging.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Floral.
Yeah, it's pink. Pink. Oh, it's like pastel pink. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Thank you. Oh, this is like something
it's like a
you would
pastel
like.
pink.
Something you would see like on Tumblr back in the day, and everybody would like repost it. Like, it's so pretty. Doesn't taste like much. Tastes like I'm just eating like very light sugar.
Yeah. Definitely the white chocolate again, of course. I'm not really getting like a Sakura. Like, what does even Sakura taste like?
Floral.
Floral? I'm not getting a floral notes. It's kind of giving me the white frosting animal cracker.
The ones with the sprinkles on it and the ones without. I see that. It kind of has like a cinnamon.
Yeah, kind of cinnamon flavor.
Yeah. Kind of like those Mexican wedding cookies.
True.
We don't call them Mexican wedding cookies. That's the name.
I'm leaning, I mean, below the regular Kit Kat.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Because I would rather have the regular Kit Kat than this.
Yeah.
I want to say C tier.
Okay.
Not the best, but I would definitely eat it if it's there.
Yeah.
But I'm not going to go out of my way to get it.
Yeah.
I mean, I wouldn't go out of my way to get a Kit Kat anyways, but...
Unless it's matcha.
Yeah.
Unless it's the matcha Kit Kat.
So I'm just going to put it C tier and call it.
Yeah, it's not special. I feel like I would have to eat like 7 of them just to feel satisfied.
You want another one? All right. Moving on. Next up, we have the chocolate orange Kit Kat here. When I think of chocolate orange, I think of the Terry's chocolate orange.
Yes.
So let's see if this like similar to a Terry's chocolate orange.
That's why I'm excited to try this one, because I hope it does taste like that. Because the Terry orange is good.
Oh, by the way, I have not checked the expiration date on these, so we believe that they're still good. I should have checked, but
I have a sensitive tummy.
it's okay. You're just eating one little brick each.
I'm gonna be pooping out a brick later. Thank you.
All right, so definitely like a darker chocolate look to it.
This one's a little like melty too. It's interesting to see which ones are like melty and which ones are not. Oh, you taste that orange instantly.
Oh yeah,
the orange is strong,
and it has a more of a darker chocolate taste to it. It does have that Terry's chocolate orange taste though.
I don't like it. Orange.
You do get a lot of orange. I don't know if it has orange in the wafer or not, because I was kind of getting a lot of it like an after effect.
Ugh, I don't like it.
You don't like it?
It doesn't taste natural. That's not natural orange. Like that's like that's like fabuloso. That's like
I kind of like it.
you can finish that bag by yourself then.
The orange is like the orange is strong. So they're I don't know, they're putting that orange essence into it.
It's like it's a like a fake orange essence. Like imitation vanilla, it's like imitation orange.
What are you thinking? I'll let you go first.
F.
You're going F?
I would eat the Sakura ones over that one because the Sakura tasted like nothing. This is your stream though, so you rate it.
So you say tasting like nothing is better than tasting bad. I do like it though. Like, I low-key like it better than the Sakura soybean powder one. All right, out of 10, what would you rate it? We're gonna say what we think each. Out of 10, I'm gonna count to 3, and we're gonna say our number. Okay? So think about it. What would you give it out of 10? And all right, I know what I want. Okay, you ready? 3, 2, 1, 5.
3.
Okay. It was an 8 and a 4.
The taste hasn't gone away. It kind of like stains your mouth. Like it's still there.
I do still taste it. How about I put it behind? I'm putting it behind. I don't know. You're saying F.
I like Terry's chocolate orange. Like I'm down for a Terry's chocolate orange any day, but not that. Not whatever the hell that was.
I think it's all right. I think it's all right. I'm gonna leave it a lower C tier. We'll lock it in. Next, the salted caramel Kit Kat Gold.
Okay, this one's gonna taste good. I already know. Salted caramel, anything is good. Salted caramel donuts, salted caramel ice cream. It's always good.
It's like a white and chocolatey bottom here.
It smells like a chupa chup. Yeah.
You do get a caramel flavored, but also like you get the chocolate caramel. Not really getting salty.
I don't like it. No, I don't like it. It just the caramel tastes like coffee. It tastes like I'm eating one of those like toffees. It tastes like I'm eating a toffee.
Yeah, I can kind of get that.
It tastes like your hazelnut
It
coffee.
does kind of have a weird, I don't know. It is kind of weird, kind of hard.
It gave me shivers down my back.
I low key like the chocolate orange one better. I low key like the chocolate orange one better. Where are you placing it on here? You're placing it F?
Kit Kat, stop using these unnatural flavors.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna put gold on F as well. Yeah, that one is just really odd. Like you get like a caramel type flavor with the chocolate, and it's just, I don't know. It just hits a little weirdly.
It does hit a little like, yeah. I feel like I'm gonna sneeze because of it. Like the salt in it or something. It's like it's making me want to sneeze.
Yeah, which is kind of crazy because it's Kit Kat Gold.
So you would think it'd be like premium, like tasting.
Yeah, like it's gold. You know? Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I don't like that one. That one's just weird.
Yeah.
But are you happy with the placement?
As long as matcha's on top, yes.
So let's review this. So S tier. Okay, let's start from the bottom. Gold. We just had it. Had a kind of unnatural flavor to it.
Yeah.
From like both of our decision. Kind of odd. Just like overall flavor profile was not vibing. I mean, it is a Kit Kat though. Like an F tier Kit Kat is still like, you know, a sugary treat. So it is what it is still. Yeah. Okay, F for that one. C tier, we got the kind of flavorless white chocolate Kit Kat, which is the Sakura soybean. Overpowered orange flavor with the chocolate, which you totally did not like. Your list would have had this like
F tier.
Straight F tier.
Yeah.
But we compromised and put in C. B, standard Kit Kat, can't go wrong with it.
I would eat more.
Yeah, It's not bad, but it's not like amazingly good. It's just your standard old Kit Kat. Nothing in A, surprisingly. Nothing A tier. And then we jump straight to S tier with the 2 matcha flavors, which almost taste identical. Maybe in the future we'll do a can you tell which is which?
Okay. I bet I could. Because honestly...
Wait, okay, well, scratch that. Not the future. Let's do it right now.
Oh, man. Okay.
Oh, you have the other one.
Oh, yeah.
All right, I'll just break one of these open. Okay, so that we both can do this, what I'm gonna do is this. I'm going to break one stick in half. Oh, I'm gonna break both sticks in half. So you can try one half. You're gonna do the test with one half, and I'm gonna do the test with one half. You can't look at it. Okay. Now I'm gonna give you the other one, and then you can tell me which is which. Okay.
I can already tell you that's the regular matcha one right there. Oh yeah. Yeah, I can see how they kind of taste alike, but I think
Okay.
that one
You can
was
open
the
your
second
you can
one.
open your eyes now. All right. So which one do you think the first one was?
It was the regular matcha.
And the second one is the premium.
Yeah.
Hey, you're correct.
Yay!
You know your matcha Kit Kat.
Oh.
All right, now do it with me.
Okay.
Because I have a half of each one. Okay. So remember which one you gave. The first one you gave me was the premium. Did you give me 2 premiums? Because they taste almost identical. I don't know if you like swapped it up on me and you gave me 2 of the same one. I think you gave me 2 of the premium ones.
I did it in the exact order you gave me.
Oh my god.
It was the first one. That was the regular matcha.
Really?
I did it in the exact
Well,
order.
I was gonna say, wait, so the first one was the standard? No way. Because I was gonna say the first one you gave me was the premium, and then the second one was the regular. But then I'm like, the second one tasted like the first one. So did you just break the other one and give me another half of the premium one? Yeah, they taste exactly the same to me. That proves it to me.
I could taste more of the matcha in the first one.
Well, they're S tier regardless. So congratulations to the matcha Kit Kats.
They're so good. You know, and it's like Kit Kat, just stay in your lane, you know, matcha, Kit Kat. Don't try to explore outside into this chocolate horn, this salted caramel crap.
Yeah, I think it's more of a marketing thing as well. And I guess it's cool to, I don't know, get something different. Well, there you go. That's our tier list for the Japanese Kit Kats.
Yay!
All right, cool.
Yeah,
All right.
now my mouth tastes just like chocolate.